In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an email in Protonmail. If you want to make sure certain messages never end up in your spam folder, Protonmail gives you a simple way to do that using the allow list. When you add an email address or a domain to this list, Proton's spam protection will treat that sender as trusted, so future emails from them will go straight to your main inbox. To begin, open Protonmail in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your mailbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon for settings. From there, choose All Settings. This takes you to the main control area where Protonmail lets you manage filters and mailbox behavior. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Protonmail section. Click on Filters. On this page, scroll down past the Custom Filters area until you reach the section called Spam Filters. This is where Protonmail lets you control who gets blocked, trusted, or allowed through its automated filtering system. Now find the Allow List section. In that row, click Add Address. A small setup window will appear, and this is where you decide exactly what you want to trust. If you only want to whitelist one person, enter their full email address in the field. This is the best option when you trust a specific sender, but don't necessarily want to allow every message coming from their company or service. If you want to whitelist an entire organization, then enter just the domain name, which is the part after the @ symbol. Doing this tells Protonmail to trust all emails coming from that domain, which can be useful for work contacts, school systems, or services that send notifications from multiple addresses. After entering the address or domain, click Save to apply the rule. Once it's saved, that sender or domain is added to your allow list, and future emails from them should bypass the spam folder. There's also a faster method if you already found a legitimate message in spam. Open the spam folder from the left-hand menu, then click the email to open it. At the top of the message, you should see a warning banner. In that banner, click Trust Sender or Move to Inbox. This not only moves the message out of spam, but also updates your trusted sender settings so future emails from that address are delivered properly. As a quick tip, only whitelist senders and domains you fully trust, since allowed messages will bypass Protonmail's usual spam checks. And that's how to whitelist an email in Protonmail.